Hello. Have you ever been in an interview or looking at a job posting and wondered exactly how much an hourly rate adds up to over a full year? Today, you are going to learn a mental math shortcut that lets you convert an hourly wage to an annual salary in just 3 seconds. By the end of this video, you will be able to do this calculation faster than someone can pull out their phone to use a calculator. To understand the shortcut, we first need to look at the standard way people calculate annual salary. Most full-time jobs assume 40 hours a week for 52 weeks, which equals 2,080 work hours in a year. If you were making $25 an hour, you would multiply 25 by 2,080. That gives you $52,000. But multiplying by 2,080 in your head is slow and difficult. The trick is to realize that 2,080 is very close to 2,000. Using 2,000 makes the math effortless and gives you a great estimate. Watch how easy it is. Double 25 to get 50, then add 3 zeros for 50,000. This is what I call the double and thousand rule. It turns a complex multiplication into 2 simple mental steps. Step 1, take your hourly wage and double it. Step 2, add the word thousand to the end of that number. Let's use our $25 per hour example again. First, double 25 to get 50, then just add thousand. Your estimated annual salary is $50,000. Notice how close that is to the exact total of 52,000? The shortcut is only off by about 4%, which is perfect for a quick mental estimate during a conversation. It is a fast and easy way to estimate your income. Let's practice this with a few different wages to see how fast it really is. Imagine a job paying $15 per hour. Double 15 is 30. Add 1,000 and you have $30,000 a year. What if you were looking at a more senior role paying $40 per hour? Double 40 is 80. That is $80,000 a year. Let's try a harder one. $65 per hour. Double 60 is 120, plus double 5 is 10, so 130. That is $130,000 a year. Take a second to try $32 per hour. Double it, add 1,000. Did you get 64,000? You are already getting the hang of it. To wrap up, you have now mastered the double and thousand rule. By replacing the complex 2,080 hours with a simple 2,000, you can estimate any annual salary in seconds. We met our goals today by breaking down the standard calculation and replacing it with 2 simple steps. Double the wage and add 1,000. Keep in mind, this estimate assumes you are working full-time, without overtime. Because 2,080 is slightly higher than 2,000, your actual paycheck will usually be a tiny bit higher than your estimate, which is always a nice surprise. Next time you are talking about pay, skip the calculator. Just double it, add 1,000, and you will have your answer in 3 seconds flat. Thanks for watching.